open it and find out. Wow! They look just like us! There are so many outfits and accessories. Let's dress our dolls! Yay! Let's dress up our dolls with style and grace, with pretty dresses and smiles on their face, tiara and shoes, necklaces too. Dressing up our dolls, so much to do. Crystal's doll wears a gown so blue. Snowflake tiara, a sparkling hue. Blossom's doll in green with petals that gleam. A garden of beauty just like a dream. Let's dress up our dolls in style and grace, with pretty dresses and smiles on their face, tiara and shoes, necklaces too. Dressing up our dolls, so much to do. Fiza's doll in gold like the desert's warm sun, with glitter and glow. She's simply so fun. Pearl's doll wears a sea blue dress with seashells and pearls, looking her best. Let's dress up our dolls in style and grace, with pretty dresses and smiles on their face, tiaras and shoes, necklaces too. Dressing up our dolls, so much to do. Huh? Rubies all glows in red and gold, bright and shiny, so elegant and bold. Each doll captures the magic we know. Dressing them up with love, they'll glow. Let's dress up our dolls in style and grace, with pretty dresses and smiles on their face, tiara and shoes, necklaces too. Dressing up our dolls, so much to do. They all look so beautiful.